The best portable massage chairs offer a convenient way to enjoy relaxing massage support at home, in the office, or while traveling. Lightweight and compact designs are easy to move and store, while features such as adjustable positioning, heat, and targeted massage can add extra comfort without the bulk of a full-size massage chair. Starting at number 1. BestMassage Portable Massage Chair. The BestMassage Portable Massage Chair is designed with a heavy-duty metal frame that ensures durability while remaining lightweight for easy transport. Upholstered with high-density foam, this chair provides superior comfort and can support up to 300 pounds, with a static capacity of 700 pounds. Its cover is made of water and oil-proof PU leather, making it easy to clean and maintain, ensuring a luxurious therapeutic experience. The chair features a compact and foldable design, allowing for space-saving storage, and comes with a sturdy nylon carry case for convenience. Its assembly is straightforward, requiring no tools and taking only about 3 minutes to set up, making it an ideal choice for both personal use and professional settings. Number 2. EARTHLITE Portable Massage Chair. The EARTHLITE Vortex. Portable Massage Chair Package is a lightweight and compact option designed for professional massage therapists and mobile treatments. Weighing just 15 pounds, it features a strong oval tube aircraft aluminum frame, ProLite 2-layer cushioning, and adjustable face, arm, and seat positions for improved client comfort and positioning. The chair folds compactly for easy transport and comes as a complete package with a carry case, sternum pad, and strap. It supports a maximum working weight of 300 pounds and includes a limited lifetime warranty, making it a practical choice for mobile massage services and on-the-go professionals. Number 3. Master Massage Rio Massage Chair. The Master. Massage Rio Portable Massage Chair is a lightweight yet durable option designed for professional massage therapists who need reliable portability. Weighing just 24 pounds, it features a strong aircraft-grade aluminum frame, ergonomic design, and adjustable components including the face cradle, armrest, chest pad, seat pad, and removable kneeling pads. Its high-density small-cell TM foam cushioning helps provide comfortable support, while the chair folds compactly for easy storage and comes with a wheeled carrying case for convenient transportation. With its combination of strength, adjustability, and portability, the Rio is well-suited for mobile massage professionals and on-location treatments. Number 4. STRONGLITE Portable Massage Chair. The STRONGLITE Massage Chair is designed for both portability and strength, featuring a lightweight construction made from heat-treated T6 aluminum alloy with a high-gloss powder-coated finish. It boasts a patented double-tube design for added stability, supporting a working weight of up to 600 pounds. This highly adjustable chair accommodates clients ranging from 4'6" to 6'6", offering versatile positioning options such as a sliding and tilting chest pad, a fully adjustable face cradle, and a seat that can be raised, lowered, and tilted. Its ergonomic design includes a height-adjustable seat and movable armrests, making it ideal for therapists and accommodating disabled or injured clients with removable leg pads. The complete package comes with attached wheels for easy movement, a valuables pouch, and a rugged ballistic nylon carry case with a heavy-duty zipper, all while weighing just 24 pounds. The chair folds compactly for convenient storage and transport and is backed by a lifetime limited warranty from STRONGLITE, a leader in massage chair manufacturing since 1986. Number 5. Giantex Portable Massage Chair. The Giantex massage chair, designed in a sleek black faux leather, offers a compact and foldable flat design that makes it easy to store and transport with its included carrying bag. Measuring 30 DH 19 UX 45 H, this chair features ergonomic adjustable armrests, a seat, a chest pad, and head support, making it versatile for various body types and ensuring comfort and relaxation for clients. Its modern aesthetic allows it to blend seamlessly into different environments, whether for personal or business use. Additionally, the PU leather is both water and oil resistant, providing durability and ease of cleaning compared to other materials. The chair's frame is constructed from durable powder-coated aluminum, significantly extending its service life.